To use a Vanguard brokerage account, start by opening an account on the Vanguard website or mobile app. You will need to provide personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. Next, explore the different types of investments available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds, which can be a good option for beginners. You can browse the various investment options and read about their features, risks, and historical performance. To place a trade, log into your account and navigate to the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol or name of the investment you want to buy or sell, and select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. You can also set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. It is essential to understand the different types of orders, including market orders, which are executed immediately at the current market price, and limit orders, which are executed at a specific price. You should also be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling investments, as well as any tax implications. In addition to buying and selling investments, you can also use your Vanguard brokerage account to set up a dividend reinvestment plan, which automatically reinvests dividend payments into additional shares. You can also set up automatic investments, which transfer a fixed amount of money from your bank account to your Vanguard account at regular intervals. To monitor your account activity, you can view your account balance, transaction history, and investment holdings online or through the mobile app. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of certain events, such as low account balances or large transactions. Best practices for using a Vanguard brokerage account include diversifying your investments, starting with a solid understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance, and avoiding emotional decision-making based on short-term market fluctuations. It is also crucial to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly to ensure that your investments are aligned with your goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your Vanguard brokerage account to achieve your investment goals and build a successful investment portfolio.